Find the sum of the first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. So here we need to find the sum of 51 terms. That is our question. Sum of 51 whose second term is 14. If second term is 14, means A2 equal to 14. And the third term is 18. So A3 equal to 18. Let us solve these two equations. So here we have A2 will be A plus D equal to 14. We put equation 1. And here A3 is 18, means A plus 2D equal to 18. Equation 2. I will subtract these two equations. Subtract. So I have now A plus D equal to 14, and below that A plus 2D equal to 18. In order to subtract, I need to change my signs, and on changing the sign, this cancels out. So I have minus D equal to minus 4 and the D equal to 4. One result we have found. Now we need to find the value of A. Now to find the value of A, I will put D equal to 4, say in equation 1. Equation 1 is A plus D equal to 14. So A plus 4 equal to 14. And you'll agree your A is 10. So I got my second information. Now go ahead and find out what they asked. What have they asked? They asked for S51. And I know S51 will be n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. I have all my information. All I need to do now is just substitute my values. Now here there are 51 terms. So n I'll put 51. The a I found out is 10. The d I found out is 4. So all I need to do is go ahead and put the values. So n is 51 over 2. 2, we know a was 10. Number of terms here are 51 minus 1 and d is 4. So we have 51 over 2, 20 plus 50 into 4. So 51 over 2, 20 plus 200. So which is now 51 over 2 into 220. You solve this and you get your answer as 5610. That is the sum of 51 terms of this AP. If the sum of the 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of the 17 terms is 289, find the sum of n terms. So let us start with the first thing. Sum of 7 terms is 49. So sum of 7 terms means S7 equal to 49. You know S7 will be n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. And S7 is given as 49. So 49 equal to n by 2, 2a. Your n we know is 7. There are 7 terms. D we do not know. So 49 equals to n by 2, 2a plus 6d. So we have 49 equal to n by 2. I'll take 2 common out here. You get a plus 3d. The 2 will cancel. So 49 equal to n, which n is 7 in this case. So we need to put 7 here, over 2 into 2, a plus 3d. This cancels out. You put 49 over 7. So we get 7 equal to a plus 3d. This is equation 1. Here I just explained, I just skipped one step. You will do 49 over 7, which is 7. Now for the second part, it's given to us that the sum of 17 terms, so A17 is 289. S17, not A17, the sum. So S17. Now S17 is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. So S17 is 289. 289 equal to 17 by 2 because there are 17 terms. So we have 2a plus 17 minus 1d. So 289 equal to 17 by 2, 2a plus 16d. 289 equal to 17 by 2. I remove 2 common out here. So we have a plus 8d. The 2 cancels, and then I bring the 17 down. So 289 over 17 equal to a plus 8d. 289 over 17 is 17. So 17 equal to a plus 8d. This is equation 2. So these are my 2 equations. Now I go ahead and subtract them. Equation 1, equation 2, subtract 2 from 1. So I first write my first equation, 3d equal to 7. Then I'll write my second equation, 8d equal to 17. I need to subtract, we change the sign. This cancels out. So I have here minus 5d equal to minus 10. And the d is minus 10 over minus 5. So d equals to 2. This is another result which is important. Now I want to find out my a also. So put d equal to 2, say in equation 1. My equation 1 is a plus 3d equal to 2. So a plus 3, my d is 2 equal to 2. So a plus 6 equal to 2. This is not 2, this is 7 here. So we get a equal to 1. This is another important result. Now in this sum I need to find Sn. Now Sn is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Let me put my values. N by 2, 2. We know our a is 1. We found our a as 1, right? Plus n minus 1, and we found our d as 2. So we have now n by 2, 2 plus 2n minus 2. This will cancel out. So my Sn will be n by 2 into 2n. Sn will be n by 2 into 2n. The 2 cancels out. Sn equal to n square. So in this sum you have to find your a and d and just put the value. Now we do not know the value of n in the last part, so the n remains as n. So Sn equal to n square. Show that a1, a2, an form an AP where an is defined as below. So in the first one, the an is given as 3 plus 4n. We must know, is it an AP? To find the first term, I will put n equal to 1. So that means a1 equal to 3 plus 4. Wherever there is n, I will put 1. And this works as 7. Now to find the second term, I'll put n equal to 2. So I will get my a2. So 3 plus 4. Now n is 2. And I work this out and I will get this as 11. To find the third term, I put n equal to 3. So I will get my a3. So I put 3 plus 4. Now my n is 3. And I work this out and I'll get 15. To find my fourth term, I put n equal to 4. So I find my fourth term. You get 3 plus 4, 4n it is. So n I will put as 4 here. And this answer works out as 19. So here I have a sequence. I do not know if it is an AP. And my sequence is 7, 11, 15, 19, and we'll go on. How do I determine if it's an AP? I've got to find the common difference. So let me first find the common difference among the first two terms. So the first two terms, like we do now, A2 minus A1. So this is my A1, this is A2, A3 and A4. So A2 minus A1 is 11 minus 7, which is 4. So this is one difference. Then let's find the next difference, that is A3 minus A2, which will be now 15 minus 11, and that is also equal to 4. So I found this difference as D. The difference between these two terms I found 4. The difference between these two terms is also coming 4. Now let me find the difference between A4 minus A3. And my A4 is 19 minus 15, and this also comes as 3. So looks like it is an AP because the difference between the terms is constant, and that is 4. So I will now say this is an AP. Why? Because the difference is constant. Difference between the terms is constant. And one part of the sum, they also have said find the sum of the first 15 terms of this AP. Means we have to find S15. This you will do it on your own. You use the formula n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. All the information is given to you. 15 over 2. The first term you know of this AP is 7 here, the first. So 2 into 7, n minus 1 will be 14, and the d we saw is 4. You will calculate this, and I think on calculation of this, the first 15 terms, you will get the answer as 525. Here I repeat again, the A was 7, the D was 4, and the n was 15. Just put the values, you'll get your answer. Let's go ahead and check if an equal to a minus 5n is an AP. To find the first term, we'll do n equal to 1. So my a1 will be 9 minus 5, n is 1, which is now 9 minus 5, and it is 4. To find the second term, n equal to 2 will give my second term with 9 minus 5 into 2, and my second term will be minus 1. For the third term, we put n equal to 3, so we get A3, which is 9 minus 5n, so n is 3, and this would be minus 11. So we notice we have a sequence now, and this sequence is made up of 4, minus 1, minus 11, and it will go on. To find if this sequence is an AP, I need to check the common difference. This is the first term, second term, and the third term. So let me check the common difference in the first case, that is A2 minus A1, between the first two terms. So A2 we know is minus 1, and A1 is minus 4. So here the common difference works out as minus 5. Now for the next, let's check on the next common difference, that is A3 minus A2, and we know A3 is minus 11 and A2 is minus 1, so minus minus 1, and this would now be, here's a mistake, so this is now, I think this should be minus 6 here. Then if we go ahead and find n equal to 4, we'll get A4, which is 9 minus 5 into 4, and this would be minus 11. So we rub this out here, and we'll have here minus 6 and minus 11. So here when we are finding D, we'll do minus 11 minus of minus 5. Minus 6, and this will also come minus 5. To find the next difference, that is A4 minus A3. We see that this is A4 minus 11 is A4. Here we have D. Please watch the video till the end and then you complete the sum, because I made a couple of mistakes in the sum. So A4 is minus 11 minus of minus 6, which is minus 5. So all the D's are coming the same. This is minus 5, minus 5, minus 5. So since the common difference is same, this must be an AP. Right through the common difference is minus 5. So it is an AP. Now we need to also find 15 terms of this AP to S15. S15 will be in the formula n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. I'm not doing this, you're going to do it on your own. N, you put 15. You know A, the first term of this AP here we found out. The first term is 4. The D of the AP we found is minus 5. Put your values in that and you'll find the first 15 terms. And S15 you will get as minus 4, 6, 5.